Hey everyone, this is Sean from Entrepreneur Insights, and I'm actually away at a conference today and wanted to talk to you a little bit about one of the things I learned is about how to use LinkedIn. So I'm actually going to do a video coming up on Friday, a little bit more about LinkedIn. I want to share some of the ideas and thoughts that I had, how to build your LinkedIn profile, how to make sure that it grows your business, how do you get your message across, how do you stand out from others, and how do you use it to engage with other businesses. These are some of the key things that you need to do. I would love to have a conversation with you about your LinkedIn profile. I'll put a link in the description below, how to connect with me on LinkedIn. Would love to connect with you as well. How to tell your story on LinkedIn. How to even use articles, how to, basically provide thought leadership to people. That's really important to share on LinkedIn. A lot of people are going to want to see things that are applicable to your business, but how it affects them, how you can solve their problem, how you can share with them certain articles, or how to keep them up to speed or up to date on the different things going on in the industry. And hopefully people will be following you from there. How to use groups. Use groups within LinkedIn to connect with other people. Share within those groups some of your content, but not in a spammy way. Answer questions. Share, hey, do you know about this topic or that topic? Let people know what you know and guide them toward things that you can provide solutions to, but guide them toward also solutions that are helpful to them, even if it's not something that's going to make money for you. You're going to find that a lot of people are going to be very appreciative of that. How do you stand out from other businesses? So your business is widget selling. How is your widget different than somebody else's? And if your widget's exactly the same, everyone's going to say, well, my company is the best, I'm the best, we're the leading this or that. But what is it that you provide that's different from every other competitor? Is your product a commodity? Is it something that everybody offers? Is it something that you have a number of competitors? Do you know your competitors? What do they provide? For example, at my Verizon store, obviously whether you come to my Verizon store or you go to a corporate store, you're going to get it at the phone that you're looking for. You're going to get the tablet you're looking for, the Apple Watch, the Samsung Watch. You're going to get the Hum. You're going to get whatever product it is that you're looking for, the same. Why come to my store? One, small business. We're a locally owned community small business, and a lot of people like to work with small businesses. So that's something that might help you stand out. But again, that's just for you. I'm a small business, so maybe you help me getting the same prices, maybe even better prices, but you get to interact with an owner, you get to interact with a small business in your neighborhood. So maybe that's one reason why someone might come to your store. Another reason is look at the South Riding Verizon Wireless Zone in South Riding, Virginia, and you'll see that we have a 4.8 star rating out of 5 on Google. Why? Because our customers find that we've done enough for them that they're willing to provide those reviews. And 4.8 out of 5 compared to any other stores, where do you find better? Those are 2 reasons that I would give why to work with me and my store. What are your reasons to work with you and your business? Tell me some of the reasons you have in the description below. Tell me how you use LinkedIn. And look for the future videos that I'm going to share. Like I said, Friday, I'm going to go over a couple of aspects on a high level, and then I'll do videos on each of the particular pieces on a more in-depth look at how to use LinkedIn to help grow your business. So I hope you're doing well, learning a lot here at this conference, and looking to invigorate myself and my business, push through to the next level, and help you do the same. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe. Like I said, share in the comments below what things you do. Share with the community. I want to build this to be a community of other entrepreneurs or people that are looking to be entrepreneurs to learn from me, but also learn from others. And I want to learn from you as well. So thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.